Hi guys, hey, welcome to my channel. First of all, remember to subscribe to my channel, ring that little bell when I put a new video on. And in this video, I want to talk to you about all of the templates we offer in our platform for you to build your website. What is a template? It's a template of a website, 4 pages, 80% done for you. The only thing you have to do is put your information, change a photo if you want, and copy a little bit of text if you want, and then you publish and you get it online. So it's 80% made for you. You can have your website on there for in about an hour or two, and then you're on your way to success with your business. So in any niche you are, check out the video in 2 seconds and you'll see all of the template in any niche we have, and from there you can go in the link below and register to start your free website. Okay, so can you imagine having a website 80% done for you? So I want to show you here all of the template website we have to offer you. Now I'm going to go through a couple and then I'm going to show you all that we have. I can't open them all because I think my computer is going to explode, but I will show you a couple of one. So right here we have Decoration Express. So here you write whatever you want, photos are made, you put your logo here, and we have a menu with 4 beautiful pages already pre-made with all sorts of things that are important to put in a website. Okay, so we have special features, your services, your main services, we have photos, description of your product, more awesome stuff, reviews, then button, call to action, and we have a nice footer where you can put a menu, your information, and your social media. So this is just one website, and it's in the niche of decoration. Here I will show you another one here that is travel agency. So travel agency, we have a beautiful photo right here, button, call to action, and all of this. So same thing up here, we have, you put your logo, we have your header, and down here, it's going to go really fast. We have our footer with the newsletter subscription already there. Once you're in this platform, you can connect your email marketing right through here. So let's go and see another one here. So we have Personal Trainer Express. So again, 4 amazing pages already made for you, and lots of great photos, information, button, calls to action. Look at this, how it's beautiful. This one's nice. And here's more. We have templates for vegetarian. Website for vegetarian. Wow, look at this. So it's beautiful. So you can put your own photos. You can change all of this, text, image, boxes, call to action, buttons. All of this can be changed. So again, we have your footer already all made. You just need to put your information in there. Let's go and see this one, yoga. We have candies, so looks like more like desserts. Look at the nice photo here. Wow. So look at the colors on there. Again, we have a footer down here for you, and we have a header. Let's go and see the next one I opened, photograph. So another niche in photograph. We have another one here in home staging. So this one's beautiful also. I guess they should have nice photo here. Look at this. Again, with a nice footer down here. And let's go and see another one here. Oh, this one looks tasty. Ice cream. So we have ice cream shop right here. So nice footer, nice color. All of this can be changed. If you have different colors, you can all change these palettes. Next one, coffee shop. So a nice one about a coffee shop. I love coffee. Right here, look at this. So if you have a coffee shop, any shop, you can change everything here. What's the next one I opened? Oh, personal trainer. Lots of trainer need websites. Look at this. So we have all the website here for you. All of these photos are changeable. You can put links on photo. You can add buttons. So you have your footer and your header already made. This one here is about tourist guide. Nice photo should be here also. Great. Lots of information you can put on your website. So all of these are all 80% made for you. Let's go and check our board here for all of our website we have. Look at this. I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to show you. So we have lots of templates. We have templates for, I think, almost every niche here. And we also have templates for funnels, magic funnels, squeeze page, buy buttons, opt-in page, lead magnet funnels. We have places for opt-in videos. Oh my god, we have a lot. And also right here on the bottom we have more. Oh my god, we have a lot of reverse opt-in page, thank you page, webinar page, and here we have more and more about different niche. Okay, so running, photography, psychologic, dentist, implant, marriage, oh my god, plumbing, pool cleaning. We have amazingly a lot of free website, free template for you to use. By getting in on your free website and using a free template, you'll be on my team. I'm going to be your sponsor, and I will give you a full training step by step how to create a website, a landing page, or a funnel from A to Z. And really it's step by step, all details. So if you're wondering how am I going to manage my menu, don't worry, everything is there for you when you hopped in. And this link I'm going to put on the description of the video, and you can try it. It's free. And then if you need more stuff, you can upgrade to a paid plan, but it's not obligated. You're starting with a free and a free template, a free website. If you want to start a free website by zero from scratch, I'm giving the training on there for free. Plus, you get the chance to be a free affiliate. Now, a free affiliate means you can start sharing this website, talking about it, sharing to your fellows, your friends, your entrepreneur friends, and getting them on the platform, and you can get money and earn while you build your business, okay, or build your website. But if you don't want it, fine, that's okay. Just build your website and keep it for yourself. But with me, you have a nice training, and hopefully I'll see you on the link below. Don't forget, and we'll build a super nice website together. Okay, see you then.